farm.
Why'd you bring that truck all the way over here?
Probably racing the... What are you doing? Oof. Oh my goodness. You've done it now. We went from one flipped vehicle to two. Okay, never mind. Alright, I'm getting in this car before more madness happens.
It was gonna flip back over, so I had to. Oh no.
I'm waiting for the train to come.
Kirsten, you can move, I think. Try turning and moving forward.
Oh no, no, Kirsten, stay right. I'm gonna stay right here.
Oh,
Yeah, here
y'all
comes
are
the
gonna
train.
get hit by the train.
No, get on the track. Everybody. Here comes
Kirsten, get on the
Thomas.
track.
Oh no.
no.
Keith,
What happened
where
to-
did you go?
I'm right in
Oh,
front of
he's
you.
right there.
Oh.
What happens if you try to drive in the water?
Let's find out.
I'm gonna try to catch up to the train.
I don't think you're gonna catch up to a train.
Caitlin, what time are you going back to sleep?
Oof, I hit a tree.
What, Caitlin? What did you say? No, what did you say? You know I'm trying to get my waiver.
Taylor, we can't get the cars back.
What the fuck did you do?
We went into the water.
I'm trying to catch up to this ship over here, but apparently I
Alright,
can't
give me a
swim
second,
fast
I'll
enough.
sell it.
Oh, it doesn't let you go out that far.
Nah, I'm selling all of our cars.
Even the one I'm driving?
Yep.
What happens if I'm driving it and you sell
Oh
it?
no, could not sell a vehicle because it's in use.
We'll give it a second.
Don't worry, I sold the car.
Try it now.
I sold the.
No, try it now.
Alright, yeah, I sold it.
Good, because it plunged deep into the Marianas Trench.
Quick, come over here.
I can't.
We're gonna jump.
It won't be quick.